Mastering the 5 essential tools every civil engineer needs, a deep dive into innovation and efficiency. Join me as I embark on an exciting journey to master the 5 essential tools every civil engineer needs, and see how these tools can revolutionize the way we tackle real-world engineering challenges. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a student eager to learn, this guide is designed to be both educational and fun while maintaining a professional perspective. Let's dive into the innovative tools that are transforming the civil engineering world. Why the right tools matter in civil engineering. As a civil engineer, you know that the success of any project hinges on the tools at your disposal. The right tools can simplify complex tasks, improve accuracy, and save precious time. On the flip side, the lack of proper tools can turn even the most straightforward projects into logistical nightmares. Imagine being stuck with manual calculations for structural loads, conducting site visits without the ability to collect real-time data, or sifting through mountains of paperwork to coordinate with your team. Not only does this waste time and energy, but it also increases the risk of errors and inefficiencies. These challenges can spiral into costly mistakes, delays, and even reputational damage. But it doesn't stop there. Without the right tools, communication among team members often suffers. Misunderstandings about project requirements can lead to rework and wasted resources. Over time, these inefficiencies can demoralize your team and inflate your project costs. The stakes are high in civil engineering, and the pressure to deliver on time and within budget is constant. The good news? You don't have to navigate these challenges alone. Today, technology offers a host of powerful tools that can streamline your processes, enhance collaboration, and improve project outcomes. The 5 essential tools for civil engineers. Let's explore the 5 essential tools every civil engineer should master: computer-aided design software, geographic information systems, 3D printing, drones, and building information modeling. Each of these tools has the potential to revolutionize how we approach civil engineering projects. Here's how they work and why they're indispensable. 1. Computer-aided design software. Think of CAD software as the cornerstone of modern civil engineering. Gone are the days of hand-drawn blueprints. CAD tools allow engineers to create detailed, precise, and professional designs at the click of a button. Why it's essential. Visualization. CAD software enables you to create 2D and 3D models, making it easier to visualize complex structures and layouts. Simulation. Advanced CAD tools allow you to simulate real-world conditions, such as load-bearing capacities, wind resistance, and material behavior. Error reduction. By spotting potential design flaws early in the process, you can avoid costly changes during construction. Collaboration. Many CAD platforms integrate with other software, making it easier to share designs and collaborate with architects, contractors, and other stakeholders. Fun fact, did you know that CAD software was first introduced in the 1960s? It has since evolved into a sophisticated tool used in everything from skyscraper design to bridge construction. 2. Geographic information systems. Civil engineers often work with complex site data, and GIS is the perfect tool for analyzing and interpreting spatial information. GIS combines layers of data into a single platform. Why it's essential. Site analysis. GIS helps engineers assess site conditions, such as soil stability, flood risks, and access to utilities. Environmental impact. By analyzing geographic data, engineers can plan projects with minimal environmental disruption. Resource allocation. GIS is invaluable for large-scale projects like highways, where precise resource planning is critical. Real-world example, during the planning of a major highway project, GIS was used to analyze traffic patterns and minimize disruption to local communities. The result? A more efficient design and fewer complaints from residents. Fun tip, think of GIS as Google Maps on steroids, except instead of just finding the fastest route, you're using it to build the roads themselves. 3. 3D printing. 3D printing might sound like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's becoming increasingly common in civil engineering. This technology allows engineers to create detailed, physical models of their designs. Why it's essential. Prototyping. With 3D printing, you can create scale models to test and refine your designs. Cost savings. Printing a prototype is often cheaper than building a full-scale mock-up. Client communication. A tangible model can help clients better understand your vision, making it easier to secure approvals. Did you know? In 2021, engineers in Dubai used 3D printing to construct an entire office building in just 17 days. This showcases the enormous potential of this technology in reducing construction timelines. 4. Drones. Drones are quickly becoming a game changer in civil engineering. Equipped with high-resolution cameras and sensors, drones provide unparalleled access to real-time data. Why it's essential? Site surveys. Drones can capture detailed aerial imagery, making it easier to map and analyze large sites. Progress monitoring. Regular drone footage can help you track construction progress and identify potential delays. Safety inspections. Drones can reach areas that are dangerous or difficult for humans, such as tall bridges or deep excavation sites. Fun fact, some drones are now equipped with LiDAR sensors, which can create highly accurate 3D maps of terrain, even through dense vegetation. Pro tip, if you're new to drones, start with a small, easy-to-use model before investing in professional-grade equipment. 5. Building information modeling. BIM is arguably the most revolutionary tool on this list. It goes beyond CAD by creating a digital twin of your project, incorporating data from multiple disciplines and stakeholders. Why it's essential? Collaboration. BIM allows architects, engineers, and contractors to work on the same model, reducing miscommunication. Data integration. From structural analysis to energy efficiency, BIM integrates all aspects of a project. Lifecycle management. BIM isn't just for design, it can also be used to manage maintenance and operations after construction is complete. Real-world example, when designing a new bridge, a team used BIM to integrate data from geotechnical engineers, structural engineers, and environmental consultants. The result? A project completed months ahead of schedule and under budget. Fun thought, imagine playing a video game where you build a city, except in BIM, the city becomes a reality. Putting these tools to the test, a real-world challenge. Let me share a real-life example of how these tools came together to deliver an extraordinary project. A team of engineers was tasked with building a new bridge in a flood-prone area. Here's how they used the 5 essential tools. CAD software. The team designed multiple bridge models and ran simulations to test their durability against flooding. GIS. They analyzed floodplain data to determine the best location for the bridge. 3D printing. A scale model of the bridge helped the team identify structural improvements before construction began. Drones. During construction, drones were used to monitor progress and inspect hard-to-reach areas for safety compliance. BIM. The entire project was managed through a BIM system, ensuring seamless collaboration among all stakeholders. The result? The project was completed 3 months ahead of schedule and saved the client over $500,000, a testament to the power of these tools. Why every civil engineer should embrace these tools. Mastering these tools isn't just about keeping up with industry trends, it's about staying ahead of the curve. Here's why. Efficiency. Save time and reduce errors. Cost savings. Avoid costly rework and optimize resource allocation. Innovation. Push the boundaries of what's possible in civil engineering. Career growth. Familiarity with these tools makes you a more competitive and valuable professional. Share your thoughts. Have you used any of these tools in your projects? What's your favorite, and how has it made a difference in your work? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your stories. And if you're eager to learn more about civil engineering innovations, be sure to subscribe to my channel for weekly tips, insights, and case studies. Together, let's build a better world, one tool at a time.